everyone, Reseller here, and this is going to be your Steem Blockchain News Minute for Sunday, January 13th, 2019. Hope everyone is having an amazing new year. Once again, I'm Reseller. Definitely go up there and click the follow button if you're not following along with my Steemit journey. So let's get right into the numbers, shall we? Today we have 1,197,312 accounts here on Steemit.com. That number has actually gone up in the last few weeks, so that is good. Witnesses are currently at 14,816, and we're currently on hard fork 20. Steemback dollars today is at 71 cents. We are down 3.28% as we continue to kind of see a little bit of pullback from the last highs of midweek. As we can see here, the crypto markets as a whole are pretty much down for the week, so keep an eye on this for sure. We were seeing, we were up there in the 80s, as we can see here, a high of 86 cents on the week, and then we've continued to drop off with a loss of 9.2% for the week. Currently, volume is at 22,000. Market cap's at 8.2 million for Steemback dollars. Steem today is at 25 cents. We're down 5.03% as we continue to kind of see the same kind of patterns here as the Steemback dollar. Like I said previously, the crypto markets for the last week have been down. We've seen a loss of 16% for the week, so we're going to keep an eye on this. Currently, volume's at $1 million. Market cap's at 77 million, and we're currently ranked 49 on coinmarketcap.com. News of the day comes to us from Hong Ting Dai, and I'm not even going to try to even pronounce that. Bittrex, there's been a lot of buzz about Bittrex, especially this Twitter post, so I'm going to leave a link to this gentleman's Steemit account below. You can check this out. There's another push for another kind of exchange to list Steem to USD so everyone can get into Steem with ease. It's just one less step. Usually if you want to buy Steem, you have to buy another crypto and then take that crypto and convert it into Steem. Bittrex is asking people what USD market pair would they want to see in 2019. There's a bunch of Steemians going on this. I'm a little skeptical about this. We've seen these kind of things before, and we've been done a lot of great work with the community, kind of pushing each other to do this, and we've won some pretty big battles, but we've always seen that there's little impact, to be honest, within the system. We see a little bump over the the couple days after exciting news, or we get listed, and then all of a sudden we're back on down. So take this with a grain of salt. It would be nice to be paired, but to grow Steem, we have to do this internally. It's not going to be something that's going to be a magic wand that you just wave around and Steem's back up to $1. But this is actually a pretty cool initiative. If you have a Twitter, definitely go and check out the link that's in this blog post, and give a shout out to Steem. Give a shout out to Steem if you're so inclined to. Another news today comes for us from Steem Monsters. We got a season 6 update and balance changes, so definitely go and check this out. Season 6 says it's going to be shaking things up in the world of Steem Monsters between some balance changes and new abilities that will make some previously underplayed cards more useful. They do this a lot, actually. So some of the cards that aren't doing very well, they'll do some balancing and stuff like that. And so definitely go and check this out. Lots of Steem Monster update. And also, for those that don't know, the power up promotion's ending, so they give about 10% in Steem power. So if you buy like a pack, which is $2, you'll get 10% back in Steem power. It's actually a really good deal. So if you're into buying Steem Monsters packs, you're going to have to the 18th of January to get this promotion. So I definitely highly suggest, if anyone's buying some packs, to definitely do so right away, so you can get that little extra 10% of value with that. YouTube video of the day comes to us from Dookie. Adjust your Steem auto wait times to maximize curation rewards. It's actually a good point and a good video. It brings up a lot of things. For those that don't know, from hard fork 19 to 20, they changed the curation rewards from 30 minutes to 15 minutes. So of course, I adjusted all my stuff because I read into all this stuff a lot of times, and I did mention this early on to, if you're Steem autoing still to 30 minutes, bump it back down to 15 now, because that's when the rewards the curation rewards kicks in at the most for the most benefits. So go ahead and do that. This is actually a great video speaking about that. And if you're not on Steem Auto, I have a link below. Definitely go and join my curation trail and my fan base and all that kind of stuff. But definitely do that if you're not doing that. A lot of people have their percentages or their wait time to 0. And if you trigger that upvote early, you don't get the maximum amount of curation rewards. And I've been utilizing curation rewards since day 1 with Steem Auto, and Steem Auto is actually a really cool thing to do. But huge shout out to Dookie for reminding everyone about this particular thing. So go ahead and watch this video. It'll explain more about it than I have, but just a general rule, you want to put your rewards between 15 and 20 minutes on Steem Auto. And of course, another pro tip that a lot of people don't know about is anything under 2 cents you're not going to get a reward for. So always try, if you have the money. If you don't have the money, then you know, for if your 100% are even below 2 cents, just keep voting. But if you have a tremendous amount of SP, you're not going to get paid out if anything is under 2 cents. So just keep a reminder of that. If you're doing like 1% auto votes and you're only paying out a penny, you're not going to get the curation reward for that. So always have your things about 2 cents and above if you're voting for anything. If you have a substantial amount of Steem power, if you don't have any Steem power, don't even worry about it. You're not going to get, you know, twice. You're not going to get usually that great of curation rewards anyways. So that's encourages people to, you know, get above, you know, 500 SP. You get the slider and all that stuff. It's all these things, a lot of things that people don't know about. And so this actually video is a really good video because it shows, it just talks about some things that people might not know about curation rewards for that. Steemit of the day is Geronimo Rubio. This guy's a pretty cool guy from California. Posts blog posts, vlog posts every single day. He is a really great community member. He's always thinking about other people. He leaves a comment usually on some of my stuff, and he's always very kind, and he leaves blessings for everyone. And I've seen this gentleman ever since the beginning he started. So it's cool to see in about a year he's almost been here. If he hasn't been here for a year, because it says January 2018. He's done a tremendous amount of work and growth and everything like that. So he is your Steemian of the day. Definitely go and check him out. New Steemian of the day comes to us from Martin5, 16-year-old from Vietnam. This is a great post here. A couple of videos and a DTube video to boot, which is really nice, and that's really cool. We like to see that. So definitely go and check her out. We want to give a huge shout out to Yaba P. Matt, who has donated 5 Steem via post promoter to help this Steemian's journey along. So go and vote for Yaba P. Matt for witness. And we want to give a huge shout out to him. And a huge shout out to Martin5, brand new to Steemit. Welcome. Leave a comment below. Comments are free. We've always said that. And just say hello, and an upvote will be much appreciated. Once again, I'm Reseller here. This has been your Steem blockchain news for today. It is Sunday, January 13th, 2019. Hope everyone is having an amazing year. Sorry I haven't been doing these shows daily. There's a lot of things going on in my life that keeps me away from Steem. And so I really appreciate those that tune in when I make one of these videos and are very supportive of the whole process. Once again, I'm Reseller. Go up there, click the follow button. We'll see you next time. Take care.